Guys, welcome to the Homey Build. Yes, today I'm going to tell you something. Last Sunday we went actually to our favorite Tom Tam shop and I bought some food there. Tom Tam, guys, that's the papaya salad that I made last time. You can check it out in my channel. So yes, the owner there happens to be our friend now. So she has a lot of santol. In the Philippines it's called santol, but in Thai it's called katon. Now I bought 1 kilo and this is for like 60 baht. And she asked me what will I do with my santol, my katon. I told her that I'm going to make some santol jam. Why not? I remember I made this one many years ago and it tasted so good. So I'm going to make some Santol jam, and I promised that I will let her try the Santol jam because she has never tried it. So she was very glad. She actually gave me a discount. Anyway, as soon as I'm done making my Santol jam, I'm going to give her some and I'll let you guys know about it. Thank you very much for watching. This is the Homey Build. First, put your santol in a pot and pour some water. Then add your brown sugar. Mix it well and then get ready to boil it. Now boil your santol until it's soft and tender. Now the meat of our santol is soft, so get your strainer and start straining the meat. Now, of course, leave some of the meat and incorporate it with the sugar later. Add in the white sugar and then boil the jam again. Now our jam is ready and I have it cooled down a bit, so it's ready to be placed inside our jar. So ladies and gentlemen, presenting our Santol jam. Guys, welcome to the Homey Build again, and as promised last time, I made the Santol jam and I'm going to give this to our Thai friend right there. I'll show you guys later, okay? So again, this is a Thai jam. I'm going to let her try this one because she has not tried Santol jam before. Okay, see ya. That is the papaya salad shop owned by our Thai friend. So we usually go there with our kids to buy some sometimes, so I'm going there. So we have shared our Santol jam to our Thai friends, so I hope she will like it. And this is the Homey Build again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Of course, my husband's here. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Bye.
Yes, everybody. It's your friend, Louie, and today, now we're gonna try the sandal jam. So yeah, I don't know why I'm flattening the bread, but yeah, here's it. Look at the texture. It looks like jam. It's all good. Yeah. Just look at that. It's really sweet. Like really sweet. And I might get an upset stomach by eating a lot. I already ate a lot, so look at this. You can see the chunky bits. If you eat it, it just tastes amazing. Look at that. There you go. It feels like gummy. So yeah, thank you guys. Oh, that was a scene. Thank you guys for watching. It'll comment below, subscribe, like maybe, and turn on post notifications. So yeah, see you later.